Hello, Ergun Altay is my name. I have been working at 2M Cable for 10 years and I am a production manager. I graduated from Uludağ University, Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Our company produces both standard and special cable, types for sectors such as industry, petrochemicals and construction sectors. We are a supplier for special projects in Turkey and abroad. We are also the approved supplier of CERN, the European Nuclear Research Facility. Finally, we are also working to increase the production and shipment of cables to Germany and the United States of America as target countries within the scope of Turkish quality. MES is one of the biggest pillars in digital transformation. As it can be understood in its opening, it is a production execution system. In this way, we feed ERP with more data. In this way, data can be analyzed more accurate findings can be obtained, and guidance is provided. The purpose of using MES is to ensure traceability, to make the correct consumptions, to extract the differences between actual consumption and theoretical consumption, to improve production quality maintenance processes, to create an output for planned and unplanned maintenance works, to ensure right discipline, to notify the relevant departments and individuals in abnormal situations, that is, inappropriate situations, out of tolerance situations, to record them at the same time. And as in the opening of MES, we use MES to collect and analyze all the data necessary to carry out production from the right. We have improved the following in MES. First of all, we have increased the number of data we collect instantly from the right. In this way, we have gained the ability to record many data and analyze them accordingly, as well as graphing them. What did this provide us? It had many positive effects, such as how much we worked within tolerances, how much we went out of tolerances, who we included in the process in abnormal situations. The reason we prefer trex is that they have customer-specific solutions. This shows that their flexibility is high. At the same time, the fact that they have more than 10 years of experience in the cable industry is the biggest reason for us to choose trex here. Finally, we can reach the customer support department at any time we want. This is due to their proactive approach.